Hello, creatives. It is Tuesday. Finally got the videos together and I'm excited about today. Today I am starting to add color, blocking in color on my canvas and focusing today on painting the eyes. Now, last month in March's workshop, I kind of broke down each area of the face, the eyes, the nose, and the mouth, and I kind of demonstrated how to draw each one, or the ways that I kind of go about drawing them and things to think about. So this month I'm applying that, utilizing my palette, and I am drawing the eyes. Now, this is the beginning stage, and the beginning stage is always the awkward, weird, funky stage. We're not getting beautiful, we're getting information, and that's why how I like to phrase it. I'm getting information to help me continue to add additional layers as I move forward. And as I continue to add more and more layers, it will eventually come into what I am looking at, or what I want to see, is probably the better way to say it. So I am kind of looking at my values, my darks, my midtones, my lights, utilizing my palette and building up my skin tone, building up, taking into account form and shape, all the hills and valleys in my eye area, and building that up. So today I'm going to just do an initial block in, and then not tomorrow. Tomorrow is my break day, where I kind of relax and kind of take a look at where things are on my canvas, things that I need to adjust. And then Thursday I will post the nose, painting the nose, and also revisiting the eye area, kind of adding another block and layer to just kind of get all the kinks out, so to speak. So hope you enjoy it. Have an amazing creative day, and I will see you back here on Thursday. Look out for an email tomorrow with our first Zoom call information that takes place on Saturday. I'm going to be doing a demo. I'm going to try to do a demo. And I'm also going to be doing any feedback that you need. If you have any works in progress that you're working on, doesn't have to be a part of the course, that you would like some feedback on, just share it with me. I'll send an email with all the information. So happy creating and have a great Tuesday.